and welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be doing an awesome new unboxing of this giant ant. See him there? Well, we're gonna unbox him today. But before we get into that, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And if you guys like this bug, if you guys like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And well, guys, let's go ahead and let's get into this. Okay, guys, so we got our ant and we got our magazine. So there he is in the front, our giant ant, also known as a carpenter ant. They're big. Let's see, let's open this up. See what we got in here. Alright, so here we have a little description about them, information about their habitat, as well as other observations. And here you have pointed out different parts of their bodies, and as well as the scientific type, subtype, class, order, superfamily, and family, and subfamily. So, and then we get a super up close and personal pic of the ant there. I'm gonna open this up. Let's see. Whoa, big old picture there. In case you ever wanted to get right up close to a giant ant like this. And some of them have wings. The one we have doesn't, but some of them do. Let's see. All right, so different types of ants and where they're from. Some of these are really pretty. Look at this one that has like a giant butt. It likes to eat honey, evidently. But well, up here it talks about their main habitats. Tropical forest, temperate forest, and other types of forest, as well as desert. So we're going to change the page now. Here we have a nice drawing. Different ants in their homes of an old log. Change the page. Okay, so they eat everything. Look at these guys. They're going after a wasp. Yikes. And their main predators are spiders, these like type of beetles that I'm not sure how to pronounce, chages,
chinchillas.
Yeah. Do you know what they are?
I'm not an expert. No, I don't know what the translation will be.
Okay. And birds. Let's turn the page here. So we got some up close and personal pics of the ants in their natural habitat. These are those honey drop ants with their big butts full of honey. And these are cool too. These are desert ants. Turn the page here. Some more information. And then we have just some puzzles, some find the differences puzzle. And well, that's it for that. So now we're going to check out the giant ant that we got. With this, I'm pretty excited to add him to the collection. There he is. There's the front of him. He has really long legs. His legs kind of remind me to a spider. And I'm going to show you the side. And the back. Get you. Okay, I'm gonna put him down. And well, guys, tell me down in the comments below. What is your favorite type of bug? And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this bug, if you guys like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye!